The first panel is applied and ready to go. To apply the second panel, an overlap of about 1 inch is required. When wrapping with vital products, it's important to prep the overlap area correctly. Here, we are using a 50-50 isopropyl alcohol to water mix. Thoroughly wet a cloth with this mixture and clean the overlap area. Position the overlapping panel and begin the application. Finish applying the overlapping panel using the least amount of tension possible. Here, we use the inside first method. Post-heat the overlap immediately after application. Do not wait for the full wrap to be completed. Now, your overlap application is complete.